day today as always. Welcome back to my channel. If you're well, if you're new, that made no sense. I hope you're doing well, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to the 12 days of LUSHMAS. So excited. So I sat myself down and I thought, do you know what, Melody, you need to do a Christmas series this year for December, because I've not done Vlogmas in years. I've not really done a lot of Christmassy videos. It's just not, I don't know, like I love Christmas, I love watching Christmas videos, but like what Christmas videos can I do? Do you know what I mean? So I thought, do you know what, let's do 12 days of LUSHMAS and let's upload a video every day up until Christmas for 12 days. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This month you're getting about 20 something videos. So I'm basically filming, uploading every day in December pretty much. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, carry on watching, and if you're new, please subscribe, it means a lot. But yes, today let's move on. So in today's video I'm going to be going through my least favourite products from the 2020 Christmas range. As you guys know, I love Lush, I love Christmas, and their Christmas range is my all-time fave, but there are some products that get released that I don't really like, so I thought I would share with you what I don't like from the range, and I hope you guys enjoy. So the first thing on my list is the Tik Tok Bath Bomb. Now it's not necessarily the fragrance or the name, I just think it looks a bit boring. Like, it's a £4 bath bomb. I feel like I just want a bit more going on, you know what I mean? Like, I don't understand why it's just orange. I feel like maybe if it had more going on, I'd love it more. But yeah, I just don't really like it. I think it's quite expensive for what it is. It's basically a revamped version of the Ickle Baby Bot with double the price. So for me, it's a no. If you like it though, don't be offended. It's just not my favourite. Next up we have a facial cleanser. Now this is probably going to be quite controversial because this has been released for about 5, 6, 7 years now, and that is the Bouche de Noël facial cleanser. This is just for me personally, it just doesn't work for my skin type. I don't really like it. I don't really like the kind of mushy like texture of it. Like, I can work with Angels and Best skin kind of, and it is very similar, but for me it's just not worth it. I would much rather just use like Fresh Pharmacy or Colface or something, and the actual purpose of this cleanser just doesn't work for my skin very well. So that's my opinion on that. It's also £9 for 100 grams, which is like so expensive, and I feel like a block of Fresh Pharmacy would just last me longer. So that's my opinion on that. Not my fave, but sorry if you like it. Next up is a lipstick, and that is the Treasured lipstick in the refillable style situation. This is just a personal preference. I just really don't like the colour. It looks very glittery, like the glitter in it looks very thick and very textured, which I personally just don't like, and the colour for me is just not my favourite. It's very burnt orangey browny red, which you could say this is very similar, but in person this is more of a dark nude. That is more of a, I'm just looking at it on my screen at the moment, it's more, I don't even know how to describe it. It just looks very glittery, very thick, and just not my cup of tea, so I don't like that one either. The next item is the Elfie Stick Reusable Bubble Bar. Ingredients wise, this one has vetiver oil and Sicilian lemon oil, so scent wise it's not a problem, but for me it's more the colour of the water. The green and the yellow just don't make the greatest colour in the water, if you know what I mean, and it's got like a red bit on the shoe which then could go to like a brown colour, and I just don't really like the whole colour palette of this bubble bar personally. I feel like it has to be those colours. I just don't personally like them so much, so yeah, not my favourite. Price wise it's £4, so it's not overly expensive, especially for a reusable item, but for me it's just the colour. Again, I feel like they could have done a lot more with this product and they kind of haven't, so yeah, that's why I don't like that one so much. The next item I don't like too much from the Christmas range is the Winter Garden Bath Bomb. Now I'm not gonna lie to you, for £4 I just feel like this bath bomb could have been a lot better. There could have been a lot more going on. I don't like the dried petals on top because it gets stuck to your skin. You've got to clean the bath out after. It's just messy for me and I don't really like it, and I feel like for a bath bomb that doesn't do much in the water, it's just not worth it for me. So yeah, that's probably my least favourite bath bomb from the year. Just don't like it. It's just not my favourite at all. And last but definitely not least is the Stargazing Soap Stack gift. Now I understand you get 2 soaps in this, so just looking at it on my computer, you have the Baked Alaska and the Shooting Stars, and it also comes in a knot wrap box, which is great. It's reusable, but I just feel like for £13 I wish there was something else in there, you know. I wish they maybe put in something, I guess it is a soap box, so maybe another soap, or I don't know, like a lip scrub. I don't know, it's hard because obviously it is a soap gift, so I do get why it's just soap, but I just feel like for £13 I wish there was like one more product in there just to make it a little bit more worthwhile buying the gift set for. But yeah, that's my opinion on that. I love the soaps inside. Baked Alaska is so citrusy, and Shooting Stars is really lovely as well. Obviously you get the knot wrap, so that's great, but I just would have loved to have seen one more item in the box. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, that's my opinion on that. The gift itself is great, maybe just another thing inside. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. I would love to know what products from the Christmas range you guys don't like, because it could be that I've just said some of your faves and then you might hate some of my favourites, so I'd love to know down below. Also, if you're not subscribed, please do, because it would really, really mean a lot and it makes me incredibly happy. As you guys know, I'm so appreciative of every single one of you watching this video, so thank you so, so much for watching. And also, I hope you are excited for the 12 days of LUSHMAS. Like, this is day 1, so we have 12 more days of Lush videos, so I hope you guys are really excited about that. And yes, I will see you tomorrow at 6:30, so I hope to see you there, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!